Best deals. The 360 degrees flexible head allows for easy maneuverability, easily reaching even the tightest corners of the room. Designed with convenience in mind for maximum efficiency, the mops are easy to assemble and use, making floor cleaning quick and easy, compact and convenient storage in small spaces, perfect for any household. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Flat mop. With bucket is equipped with the latest technology and turns at 360 degrees for comprehensive floor cleaning, safely cleans up all types of flooring, including tiles, vinyl, and hardwood, with ease using our reusable microfiber pads. It also collects hairs, food crumbs, and dust, and can be conveniently washed in your washing machine. Simply wash the mop head and remove dust on the dry side, keeping your hands clean from dirt and chemicals. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Steam cleaner. The steam mop heats up rapidly, typically within 15 to 30 seconds, allowing for immediate use. Generates hot steam to effectively remove stubborn stains and sticky messes, drying quickly without leaving watermarks or dirty footprints. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Flat mop. Superior microfiber technology helps in trapping fine dirt, easily cleans dirt, dust, hair, pet hairs and dander. Height adjustable telescopic handle ensures it reaches nooks and corners easily. 360-degree rotating head can be easily moved in different directions as per user's convenience. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cleaning brush. Scrubber is made of high-quality PP material, stainless steel and iron, while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum. Featuring a tough bristle brush head for deep cleaning tiles, floors, walls. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Scrubbing heads. Easy to assemble electric spin scrubber with 2 adjustable spin speeds with a maximum speed of up to 400 rpm for both gentle and powerful cleaning, providing flexibility to tackle various cleaning needs with ease. Automatic water spray. Equipped with an automatic water spray function, the cleaning brush can effortlessly dispense cleaning solution or water, which can clean soap scum, grout, or stubborn stains in minutes. Retractable telescopic handle with anti-skid threading to prevent soapy slips, and 6 changeable brush heads for grime and tough stains in any and every corner for deep cleaning with LED display. Dust and waterproof design ensuring unmatched durability and performance, efficient for car washing, quickly achieving a spotless finish. It combines speed with effectiveness, ensuring thorough cleaning while minimizing water and time usage. Convenient to clean any surface: egg fans, ceilings, stoves, bathrooms, sinks, cars, glass windows. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cleaning brush. Effortlessly tackle dirt, grime, and stains on tiles, patios, and concrete with this versatile floor scrub brush, designed for all your indoor and outdoor cleaning needs. Built with a strong, adjustable pole that extends for desired height. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Glass wiper. Microfiber cloth for removing stubborn stains and chenille cloth for extremely absorbent and quick cleaning of window surfaces. Both are removable and washable, and makes installation and removal easy. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Spin mop. Microfiber material with its unique feature of deep cleaning helps lift and trap fine dust, dirt particles. Microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Flat spray mop. Versatility at its finest. A mop adapts to every surface: marble, tiles, glass, wood, or concrete. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces. With best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. Introduces a 360-degree rotation capability, turning cleaning into an adventure. Glide effortlessly under furniture. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Bucket mop. Equipped with wheels and a sturdy handle, this floor cleaner machine offers easy maneuverability around your home, enhancing cleaning efficiency. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the bucket mop is built to withstand daily use and features a built-in water drainage spout for effortless disposal of dirty water. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Fan cleaner duster. Equipped with unique cleaning head, designed to clean ceiling fan without using ladder, walls, baseboards, moldings, windows, blinds, tile, floor, 8 inches wide, fits most indoor ceiling fan balde. No more ladders or chair to clean your ceiling fan. Also, for those hard to reach spider webs in the corner ceiling areas, use a microfiber mop to remove stains without harming surfaces. Excellent for cleaning washable wallpaper, baseboards, woodwork, doors, wall coverings, and baseboards. Use a microfiber mop to keep your floors dust-free and spotless. Or clean windows before dusting them. Use on any flat surface is possible, similar to windows, vinyl, laminate, hardwood, and tile floors. A thick rubber blade won't leave smudges and won't scratch your tiles or windows. Floor, 3-in-1 cleaning tool. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Vacuum cleaner. Features a tangle-free brush roll that minimizes hair wrap around the brush. This technology ensures that the brush continues to clean efficiently without interruptions. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Duster. Featuring innovative split fiber technology, unlike regular dusters, each of the 1 microfiber duster can absorb dust like a magnet, can be bent to any degree, and the duster static absorbs dust, pollen and hairs with ease. The fluffy microfiber and the soft rubber on the top guarantees no scratches. It can be used wet or dry, which is machine or hand washable. Very convenient and durable. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Steam mop. With a super quick 20-second heat up time and 1300W powerful steam, mop your floors spotlessly clean in one swipe. With a 5 meters long cord, Steam Mop Swipe provides the freedom to clean without the hassle of constantly switching outlets or overextending yourself. Transition seamlessly from hard floors to carpets with our carpet glider attachment, ensuring a thorough cleaning throughout your home. Steam naturally sanitizes surfaces, killing 99.99% of bacteria and germs, and deodorizes floors, making it an environment-friendly choice. Mop Swipe does not use any chemicals, making it ideal for kids or pets who eat off the floor. It helps you keep your house not only germ-free but also chemical-free, so you do not have to tolerate any strong odor, cleans wooden floors, ceramic tiles, marble, and more with streak-free results. Harnessing the power of steam for effective home cleaning, requiring no harsh chemicals, making it ideal for families with children and pets. Steam clean carpets, rugs and upholstery, remove dried-on messes from microwaves, ovens, sinks, countertops and more. Advanced silent technology ensures low noise operation, making it perfect for use in home, kitchen and offices without any disturbance. Product link is given in the 14th link.